Okay, this one's been a long time in the build. A tricolour kit racer, and we've had a few ups and downs with her, but literally just got some fuel in the tank and we're going to try and start her up. I know everything's good. I've just rebuilt the engine with all the race cams and the 888 kit and all of that, and yet to do the brakes, or in fact even fill up the water, but we're just going to see if she fires up. I'm going to prime the tank, and let's do that. Okay, sounds like it's pumping fuel. I'll give it another go. Yeah, that's pumping fuel now. Ignition on, kill on. The starter's not working at the moment because the solenoid's knackered, but let's just give it a go. Okay, that sounds good.